In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a poster in Canva. First, log into your Canva account, then go to the left sidebar and click this templates button. From here, go to the search bar and search for a specific poster that you want to make. For example, let's search for a poster for food festival. Let's choose this one. Click customize this template, and it will bring you to the editor page. Now, to customize the poster, you can start by changing the background color. To do that, just click on the poster, then go to the top toolbar and click this color option. This will open up a panel on the left side of your screen where you can choose a color from these options. If you don't want any of this color, you can add a new color by clicking this plus icon. Then use this color pickers or type in a hex code if you have one. Then to change the text, just simply double click the text box and then you can change it to whatever you want. When you click the text box, you can see these options for changing the font style, size, color, alignments, or even add an effect. If you want to change the photo but want to keep the position, just simply click on the photo, then go to the Elements tab or Uploads tab, and drag and drop the photo like this. Once you're happy with the result, you can go to the top corner right and click this share button. Click download, choose the file type as PNG, and click this purple download button. So that's how to make a poster in Canva. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.